Hi to all. In last video we discussed about grep and find commands. So about grep and find, I hope you guys are understand clearly. So today we are going to discuss about CMP and diff commands. So I'll explain you in the practical ways how we are using CMP and diff commands. So for that one, even really I'm getting a good positive response like for the grep and find video. So I need your support in the future also. So if you are not watch my previous videos, like please go and watch, because I started the Linux commands from scratch, from how it will be works from starting onwards. Then it will be, so now we are in the CMP and diff commands. Previous we discussed about grep find, so a lot of commands discussed about. So let's start the today class here. So here the CMP, so this command is used for comparing the byte to byte of text information of a file and the outputs. So on the output and the first difference of the file it will show, like, so for that, for this one CMP, so I'm going to create one new directory. So in that creating, in the new directory I'm going to create two new files. Then you guys I'll explain about clear picture, then how the CMP command will works. So let me take you, so this is the one, so byte to byte text information of file and outputs, the first difference of the file. The difference will come like that, like this, like the differ byte 6 line 2. I will show you now. So here, so I'm going to create new new directory first of all. So here I am going to create new file. What is the file name was, yeah, Mercury1, Mercy1. I'll use Mercy shortcut, mercy1.txt. So in the mercy1.txt I am saving three words actually: help, kind, peace. So I'm going to create another file now, that's Mercy2. So here, so three words we saved in Mercy1. So here I am using saving C, kind, peace. So here only difference is the help. So I in that Mercy1 I stored help, in the Mercy2 I stored use. So now I will show you command, this clear explanation. CMP command is used for comparing the byte by byte of the text information of a file and outputs, and the first difference of the file. It will show you like that, it will show the difference like exactly where. So for that I am going to use command CMP. So file name 1, mercy1.txt, another file name mercy2.txt. See here, these are the four files name: mercy1.txt, mercy2.txt, and difference is byte 1 and line 1. So this is a byte 1 and difference is the line 1. We are able to see, right? The difference is in line 1. So that's the one, like how the difference is, it will show the difference here like this. The list one here, previously I stored some the list details, so that's the reason. So you will get some now clear picture idea about this. See, and here help is there, here use is there, so that's the reason. So the byte 1 and the line 1, the difference is it showing. So now I'll show you the diff command about. Here coming to diff, it is used for the comparing two text files and displays all the mismatches in the files. Here what's it showing in the CMP, so it's showing the byte and line where what exactly the difference. But coming to diff, it will show the comparing, it will compare the two text files and display all the mismatches in the files. In addition, it displays the special symbols like helping us so understanding, so what should we do make those fields like identical, like these symbols, like A means add, C means change of the text of the file, D means the delete the line. For example, there is a difference in the first line, it will show the change of the text file. So it's if you want, if I need to add one more line, then it will be said that it will show add. So if you want, there is a difference, that it will show the delete line. So in addition, it displays the lines with notation. So here these the symbols, like it is the greater than, it indicates the right side of the file. So greater than. So coming to less than, it indicates suggestion should be applied to left side of the file. So it will show the difference like this 25C3, like in this we discussed in the already the about the less than. In the left file from the 2 to 5 lines should be replaced with the third line of the right file contents. So I will show you now, then you'll clear picture, you'll get clear picture idea about that. So I'll the same thing here also. I'll go to redirect here. Yeah, so same thing now. Here also I'm going to create one more directory, so for your understanding, give me a minute. Yes, rest. I'm saving the directory name as the rest. So I'm going to the rest here file. So I'm in the rest now. So here I am creating two new files. That is called, yeah, lists1 dot txt, sorry, get lists1 dot txt. So in that list I'm saving some destinations names like here. So one is the Ooty, second one is Paris, third one is Mumbai, fourth one is Swiss. So here I am storing one more file here, list21. So Ooty, the same. Coming to this one, Goa, Mumbai, Swiss. See now here the difference is only the complete all the different the format is different here. See, in the first it will show the Ooty and the second it's in Paris, but here in it is Goa. It will show now. So diff, right? So now we are using here the diff command. Diff lists 1.txt lists 2.txt. So I'll show you now. Coming back to diff here. See, the diff is here. It is used for comparing two text files and displays all the mismatches in the files. In addition, it displays special symbols helping us in the understanding. So what we should do, make those files identical, like these things like A, C, D and greater than, less than symbols. Now I will show you here the difference exactly. See here, yeah, this is the one. It's showing like 1, 2, C1, 2. So here C coming to C is there are telling about change the text of the file. So Ooty here, if you see here, Ooty and Paris, right? So it coming to here Ooty and Goa, right? So if we change here, this is the one. So what's the Paris is there and Ooty and Goa is there. If you want, so 1, 2 and C1, 2. So if you are changing first second lines in the second line of the second file, here the Goa. So Goa is the difference. So here we need to change this one. So it exactly showing the difference now. If you observe this one, it will show the exactly difference. So what's the difference here? Ooty Paris is there. Here Ooty Goa is there. It will show the exact difference of the file where exactly. So that's it. So if you understand these concepts like CMP and diff, I need your comments and likes. So